Hello guys, mko salama? Mko poa? Mko aje? Mnaendeleaje? Mnaduaje? I'm good. I'm fine. And I'm back. And as you can see, we are in a kitchen setting. And today I want us to do a cooking vlog. Na tutakuwa tunafanya chapati za carrots ama carrot chapati. And without much ado, without wasting a lot of time, let's get into the ingredients of the day. So hapa we have the main ingredient. This is our wheat flour. I prefer using dollar. Our Janilipa, by the way, no advertise here. I also use ajab, but anyway, I don't think the flour that you use matters sana, but I love this. Then we have the carrots here. For my carrots, I used 3 medium-sized carrots, and these ones I have blended. I boiled them with a pinch of salt, and then I blended them. I know some people will use grated carrots. That's okay. You can just peel your carrots and then you grate them using a grater na unazichanganya directly. But for today, we are using boiled carrots and we have blended them. Then we shall use a bit of sugar just for the taste, and we shall use a bit of salt. Msishangae na kibuyu yangu. I am an ordinary traditional African woman. We don't throw things. We recycle them. Yeah? Okay. And then we shall need some water. This is the water for mixing the dough. Is it dough or is it duff? Niambia hapo chini. Mnaita aje? So let's do this. So I begin by pouring my carrot puree. I hear it's called puree. So I begin by pouring my puree here. So what we do, hatuwachangi anything hapa kwa hii. So we make sure we pick everything. And by the way, this maji nimepima. I'm not just using the water randomly. Then when you're using the puree, make sure that you pima some less amount of water because this is already in liquid form. And if you use the normal amount of water that you use, you may end up with a lot of dough that maybe it's not what you wanted. So we have our puree here. So what I'll do, I will now add some sugar, some kidogo sugar. We will use 1 teaspoon of sugar. That's enough, just for the taste. And then we will use half a tablespoon of salt. You guys, food bila salt haiwezi make. I will add until my ancestors tell me it's enough. Okay, guys. And so we will also scoop some carrot that is here so that nothing goes into waste. Nothing goes into waste. Okay, guys, that's it. Then I will stir my mixture so that I get a uniform sugar taste and I get a uniform taste for the salt. So now I will add my flour. And guys, my water is warm. I don't use cold water for this, for chapatis. I find warm water a little nice because it gives me some soft chapatis. So we will mix. I begin by mixing with the spoon until the consistency becomes so thick that you cannot mix using a spoon. Okay, guys? In the comment section, tell me how you love your chapatis. Some people love the traditional old chapati yenye haijaongezwa vitu zingine. Nowadays I have seen people even doing duma chapatis and others. So guys, when it gets to this point where you cannot mix it using a spoon or a wooden mwiko, we now get into the real deal. Sasa tunachanganya using mikono and make sure that your dough, nilisema ni dough ama ni dough, make sure it is soft. Unachanganya. You mix and mix and mix. So I will keep doing this, filling the consistency and adding the flour, and adding the flour so that I get a very smooth consistency, and so that my unga yangu isikuwe ngumu and that it is not too soft. Okay, so guys, you see, folding your unga, you fold in. This is a technique. There are people that do this, but this doesn't make, just doing this doesn't make your flour, your dough shikana vizuri. So the technique is to fold it in. You can see the way I'm folding it in. Yes. And then we will do this for like 15 minutes. You can see like katiki. So what I'll do now, I will add some kidogo mafuta and nitaongeza some mafuta kidogo tu. Then I will make sure that the mafuta has reached to every part of my dough. Then again I will fold it in. But then, unga ya chapati, it's not just kushika, you need to fold it in. That is the real deal. Here you see. Okay? Fold it in until every part. By the way, when you are done making your dough, your basin must be very, 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 very clean. Ndio inakwambianga kuwa here is my dough. You can see how it looks like. Well oiled. The consistency is fine. Very, 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 very soft. Not too soft though. But again, it's not too hard. You can see when I press it, inainuka yenyewe. I'm not sure you can see that, but that is how I make my dough. And then I will cover it using a cling film. Saa zingine if you don't have the cling film, you can use ile pepe ulitoa mkate asubuhi, unafunika nayo, or you can use a clean kitchen towel and just give it some time. For us, we will give it like 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, guys, this is my dough. I now place it on my working area, and then I know some people will roll it out, the whole of it, and then cut it in some small strips, and then wanaikunja. Not go through this whole process. So once I have my balls made, I will be picking one. I will be dusting my working area with flour. Then, using my rolling pin, I will now roll each individual ball alone. So I roll it out like this. Then, because I said I felt like I was cutting some very big balls, I will now resize them. Then, once I have my kadaf like this, I will now apply oil. This is what I do. I apply oil like this. I apply oil. Then I will dust it again with some flour. Then I will fold it like this, like that. Then like this. I don't know what this process is called. This is how you get layered chapatis. When you do this, wakati utakuwa unatoanisha hiyo chapo itatoka na layers. So we are making layered, multi-layered, because iko na layers kadhaa. Multi-layered carrot chapatis. So this is what I will do. Same procedure. You apply oil. Okay, guys. On to the next one. Yes, comment down below what stews you use for your chapatis. So now I'm done making my balls. They look like this. I ended up making them into 2 basins. We begin now the next process, which is frying them. When I was growing up, there's this small duff. That small one, ile ya mwisho, ile na roll ya mwisho kabisa, we used to call it kadogo, and it used to belong to the last born. So when I was dethroned from the last born, the mighty last born throne by my brother, I used to spend the whole day making peace with him so that atanikatia hii kitu jioni. So we have our pan here. We have our oil here for frying. And then I will be using this to kuziwekelea hapo nikisha fry. I know some people prefer kuzikausha kwanza and then they fry them together. But for me and for today, we shall be frying each one separately. So let's see how it goes. I will oil my pan. This will help me to know when it is hot enough. And then I will look at this, guys. Then I will turn it like that. I'll show you once I'm done. Like that. Then I prepare the next one. Make sure that your dough is well flat so that isianze kushika kwa rolling pin. Like that, guys. Then I will turn it. And look at these guys. Beautiful. Like this. See, guys, see that? See that? See that? See that, guys? Then we place this on top here. Roll it. Spin. See, guys. And once you've span, kisha spin, unaweka mafuta like that, guys. And now you spin it. I'm trying to get a closer range. See, look at that, guys. Nonaje? Yeah. So this is our final product. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See that? Naona inajikata yenyewe hata. Let's see if it is well layered. Let's try this. Look at that. Look at that. Acha tuitoe tuone. Cut some carrots. Blend them. Ours we blended, but you can grate them. So that's it, guys. We have made our carrot chapatis, and you've seen it's a simple procedure, it's a simple step, and the outcome is amazing. Amazing. Very soft, very yummy. If you try this recipe, let me know the outcome, and let me know what else you want us to do in our kitchen, in our cooking vlogs. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy. Bye.